Do you need to file your taxes but don't have a social security number? Don't worry, you can use a substitute document to file your taxes. Whether it's tax season or not, you can apply for an individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN, as soon as you start working.
Many individuals can apply for an ITIN regardless of their immigration status. For instance, immigrants who are applying for legal status but do not have a work permit and cannot obtain a social security number can apply for an ITIN, just like those who are in the country with a student visa.
Mari Carmen Litzo has had her ITIN since she started working at 16 to help her parents.
The ITIN has served me primarily to show this country that even though I don't have a legal status yet, I'm complying with the tax regulations required by the country, such as paying taxes.
People like Mari Carmen can obtain an ITIN by meeting certain requirements.
Any individual in the United States who has a passport and needs to declare taxes on income generated from services or the sale of products must submit their application form W-7 to the Internal Revenue Service, as well as their most recent federal taxes unless exempt. If you do not have a passport, it can be replaced with 2 valid documents, including a driver's license from the U.S. or from their country of origin, a birth certificate, a state ID, a voter registration card, a visa issued by the Department of State which provides advantages in immigration procedures or adjustments.
It's important to note that having an ITIN doesn't provide legal immigration status in the United States, but an ITIN does have advantages.
If you have submitted an immigration petition, the tax return will help you establish that you've lived in the country and have filed taxes. It demonstrates that you're a person of good moral character.
The ITIN can also be useful for the following purposes.
Some banks allow people to open bank accounts or credit cards with an ITIN. Here in California, you can purchase health insurance without a social security number. In turn, an ITIN helps to verify residency in the state where you live. Keep in mind that proof of residence is not the same as a permanent resident card or green card.
An ITIN can also be helpful if you want to buy a home. The process to get your ITIN is simple and free.
La Familia Counseling Center has been helping the community navigate resources, but also we can refer our clients to tax preparers and professionals. If you need any assistance or information regarding ITIN, you can contact one of our community health workers by calling 916-452-3601. We also encourage people to visit the IRS website, irs.gov. They have information in Spanish. You can simply type ITIN in the search box to read more about this valuable number.
We hope this video was helpful so you can know all about the individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN.